Today, I'm going to show you Google's brand new Gemini Robotics-ER 1.5 that just dropped yesterday. This AI model can help robots Google search the internet and then plan complex tasks. I'm talking about an AI that can help robots check the weather online and decide what to pack. An AI that can look up local recycling rules and help robots sort trash correctly. This is not science fiction anymore. Google just made it free in preview mode through their API. I'll show you exactly how to access it right now. Plus, I'll walk you through the crazy demos that will blow your mind. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to start building with this AI model today. So, what exactly is Gemini Robotics ER 1.5? Let me break this down super simple. Think of it like a super smart AI brain that understands the physical world. It's a new AI model from Google that sits between what robots see and what they need to do. Just like Gemini Flash helps with text or Gemini Coder helps with programming, Gemini Robotics ER helps with robot tasks. But here's the crazy part. This AI can also use Google search and web tools while planning robot actions. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. The ER stands for embodied reasoning. That's just fancy talk for AI that understands the real world around it. It can look at a messy room through robot cameras and figure out how to clean it. It can see an empty fridge and know what groceries need ordering. Let me show you what this AI model can actually do. Google has these demo videos that are absolutely insane. There's one where they give the AI a task to help a robot pack a suitcase for a beach trip. The AI doesn't just plan random actions, it actually uses web search to check the local weather forecast, looks up what beaches allow, and then creates a detailed action plan for the robot to follow. Now, let me tell you about the 5 biggest features that make this AI revolutionary. First is the embodied reasoning I mentioned. This AI model can take visual input from robot cameras and turn that into actual action plans. It's like having a really smart assistant who can see everything the robot sees, but also has perfect memory and access to the entire internet. Second is web access and tool usage. This is the game changer. The AI can literally use Google search, check weather websites, look up product reviews, find instruction manuals. Anything you can do online, it can do while planning robot tasks. Third is motion transfer between different robot types. This is huge for cost savings. Instead of training separate AI models for every single robot, you can teach this one AI model and it automatically adapts plans for other robot bodies. They've tested this on Aloha 2, Franca by ARM Systems, and even the Aptronic Apollo humanoid robot. Fourth is the massive improvement in success rates. Google is reporting 2 to 3 times better performance on complex tasks compared to the previous version. We're talking about AI that can plan delicate object handling without the robot breaking things. Fifth is the developer access. Google isn't keeping this AI locked away in their labs. They've got Google AI Studio integration, Colab notebooks, API endpoints, and full documentation ready for developers to start building today. Now, I need to tell you about something really important at the 2 minute mark here. If you want to see how I'm using AI to scale my agency to 7 figures, and you want to do the same for your business, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. We've got a flash sale on the AI Profit Boardroom. It's 30% off this month, plus you get free access to the SEO Elite Circle when you sign up. Deal lasts September, only a few days left. First, you need to go to Google AI Studio. Once you're in there, look for the models section. You should see Gemini Robotics-ER 1.5 listed alongside other models like Gemini Flash and Gemini Pro. Now, this is in preview mode, so not everyone might have access immediately. Google is rolling it out gradually. If you do have access, you can start playing with the AI right in the browser. There are pre-built examples you can run. You can ask it to plan robot tasks, generate action sequences, or analyze images for robotic applications. For the more technical folks, there are Colab notebooks you can run. These let you make API calls directly to the Gemini Robotics-ER model and see how it thinks through problems step by step. The API itself is pretty straightforward. You send it an image or description of a scene, tell it what task you want accomplished, and the AI returns a detailed action plan or even code that robot controllers can execute. But here's what I think is the most exciting part for content creators and educators like us. You can create comparison videos showing the difference between regular robot programming and using this AI model. You can do challenge videos testing the AI's planning abilities. You can create tutorials showing how to integrate this AI with different robot hardware. Think about the content possibilities here. I used AI to plan a robot house cleaning routine, AI versus human planning, who creates better robot instructions, teaching robots using AI that can Google search. The educational content alone is massive. You could create entire courses on AI powered robotics, automation planning, or business process optimization using AI models. But let's talk about the practical business applications. If you run any kind of physical business, this AI technology could change everything. Restaurants could use AI that looks up recipes online and creates cooking plans adapted to ingredient availability. Retail stores could have AI that checks competitor pricing in real time and plans optimal product placement. Manufacturing could use AI that troubleshoots problems by searching technical documentation online and creating repair procedures. Warehouses could have AI that optimizes packing plans based on real time shipping costs and delivery requirements. For service businesses, imagine AI that can plan basic maintenance procedures while looking up equipment manuals, checking warranty information, or finding solutions to technical problems. The cost savings potential is enormous. Instead of hiring and training multiple specialists to program different robots, you could have one AI model that learns and adapts planning for all your automation needs. Now, I do need to mention some limitations because I always want to be completely honest with you. This is still preview technology. The AI isn't perfect, and there are definitely boundaries to what it can plan. The AI can create great plans, but the actual robot execution is still limited by hardware capabilities. These robots can't handle extremely delicate tasks or work with materials that require perfect precision. There are also restrictions on which APIs and robot platforms have integration examples. Some features are still limited to Google's research partners. The web access, while powerful, is controlled. The AI can't access everything on the internet for obvious safety reasons. There are filters and restrictions in place, and like any AI system, it can make planning mistakes. The fact that Google is making this AI model available to developers in preview mode shows they're serious about building an ecosystem around this technology. They want people experimenting, building applications, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The technical documentation is already pretty comprehensive. Google has provided developer guides, API references, sample code, and integration tutorials. They've clearly put a lot of effort into making this AI model accessible to developers. What I find most impressive is the motion transfer capability. Teaching the AI planning skills once and having them work across different robot platforms could completely change the economics of robotics. Instead of custom programming for every robot, you get universal AI planning that adapts automatically. This could be what finally makes robots practical for small and medium businesses. The programming and setup costs have always been prohibitive, but if AI can plan and adapt automatically, those barriers start to disappear. The web integration is also a game changer for keeping robot operations updated. Instead of requiring manual updates every time something changes, the AI can stay current by accessing online information during planning. Think about how often product specifications change, or regulations update, or new best practices emerge. Having AI that can automatically stay informed means less maintenance and more reliable automation. Looking at the bigger picture, this feels like one of those AI inflection points. We're moving from robots that follow programmed instructions to AI planned actions that can reason, adapt, and use internet resources in real time. The applications we can imagine today are probably just scratching the surface. When you give AI systems access to the world's information and the ability to plan physical interactions, the possibilities multiply exponentially. For anyone building a business around physical services, this AI technology is worth serious attention. The early movers in AI powered automation are going to capture massive value as the technology matures. Even if you're not planning to use robots directly, understanding this AI planning capability will be important. It's going to change how your customers and competitors operate their automation. The key is to start experimenting now while the AI model is still emerging. Get familiar with the capabilities, understand the limitations, and start thinking about how AI powered planning could fit into your industry. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and let me know what you think about this AI breakthrough. If you want to dive deeper into making money with AI, I've got something special for you. Welcome to the free AI Money Lab with Julian Goldie. Inside, you'll get 50 plus free AI tools and 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents, get access to 1,000 plus free N8N workflows, 200 plus ChatGPT prompts, see how one member made 10,000 plus with ChatGPT, and get a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads free with AI. What you'll also get is a free AI community, free AI course and proven AI case studies check. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive even deeper into practical AI applications that can transform your business.